There's a story about him as a late teenager where he would be buried in a coffin under mounds of sand, and he would be able to pull himself out of the coffin in the sand. As an itinerant in Berlin, there was a contest where amongst these strong men, they rolled up their sleeves and showed they had nothing in their hands, and it was the first person who could make their hands bleed from clapping would be the winner, and he won that. And so from that, he started to perfect his acts and would lift horses, pick up a horse, bend bars, steel bars, because he knew steel and iron from being a blacksmith. And he graduated into putting together quite a show. And he was in a tent, a small tent, kind of like a sideshow, where he was performing. And what he had was, what the other beefy guys didn't have, was he had a shtick. He knew how to talk to the audience and build up drama, and on top of taking an iron bar and just bending it around his arm while he's talking, etc. And in one of those performances in 1919, the woman who owned the largest circus in Europe, Circus Busch, saw him and decided to take him on in the circus, and at a risk, and put him in the main circus. Up until that point, there never was a strongman in the main circus. But she thought because he had this talent of not just strength, but being able to have a showman performance, and he became a sensation. But as he traveled from the circus to circus throughout Berlin, he became more and more famous.